Okay, right. The last class, what we discuss? Inheritance, right? Discuss inheritance, right? Then the iPhone means who is this? iPhone, Sony or Sagar? Yes. So last class, what we discuss? So inheritance, right? Okay. Hooks, concepts, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and single inheritance, multi-level inheritance also comes. These two are completed, right? Let's see the hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchy. Third one. Hierarchical inheritance. Inheritance between more than one child. So, inheritance between more than one child with the inheritance more than one child with a single parent. Single parent. So one parent and more child. Okay. One parent and more child. Only one parent and more child. How we can inherit it? Then child one inherit with parent. Child two also. Child two also inherit with the same parent. Okay. Child one inherit with parent. Child two are okay. Tell me. Mavish, tell me. Okay. So child one inherit parent. Child two also inherit the same parent. Inheritance between more than one child with a single parent is hierarchical inheritance. Okay. Child one parent, child two also the same parent. Understand? Yes. Can you write program for this? Chandani, Sony, Jack, Kamal. Can you try? So here I have to take the one parent, two childs. Both childs are inherited with the same parent. Both childs can access parent property, parent methods as well as its own methods. Can you try? Yes. Kamal. Am I audible?
Yes.
Mavish.
Yes, I'm hearing you, but I don't know what's like this whole process
You
here.
are new, right?
Yes, good morning.
So please go through the records. So what are the existing records? Okay. So this Friday, Thursday, Friday, I will refresh once all the okay. What are the course up to now? What we discussed? Okay. So just refresh all those all. Okay, right?
Okay, but I don't have any recordings or anything till today.
So eyes did not give
Yes, please.
eyes. You can contact with eyes. I think yesterday I gave the message also.
I have met only Fanny and Chris, so I don't know who are they
Okay,
basically. But I'll just contact with Chris and just say him.
no problem. If not, okay. If not, I will share. No problem. Okay.
Okay,
Right.
thank you, sir.
So can you try Chandani, Job, Kamal, Mosam, Prajwal? So I will give the 5 minutes of time. Try. If not, I will explain. No problem. Okay, right. So I will write the program. Just check it. New project. Okay. Animal. Public. Void. Control that. Right. Class. Dog. Inherited animal. Now dog is the child of the animal. Public. Control that. Class. Cat. I'm giving as animal instead. Public. So both are having the same thing. Public. Control that. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So now see, I have to create objects for the both child classes. Dog B equal to the B dot each B dot each one. Cat. Cat C is equal to new cat B dot each B dot each. Both are okay. Using the property, using the okay, both are carrying the parent property as well as equivalent property. Build solution. 8 foot, 8 foot, right? Understand? parent, one parent and more child. Parent property can access with both the childs. Okay. Parent property can access with both the childs. Understand? Yes. Yes, Chandani, Tony, Jap, Kamal, Masam, Prajwal. Clear? So this is about so hierarchical inheritance. So with this, inheritance is completed. This inheritance is completed. Two more inheritances are there. So hybrid will not work in .NET. In C#.NET, hybrid inheritance, okay, not work, don't consider. And the multiple inheritance work with the help of interfaces. Interface is the class. So I will explain after the multiple inheritance. You can understand clearly. After the multiple, after the polymorphism, you can understand clearly, right? So these are the inheritances. This is about inheritance concept. Now we'll go over the next concept is polymorphism. Polymorphism. So poly means many, morphism means form. One method will show different forms. One method will show different forms. It's called polymorphism. It's called the polymorphism. We have two types of polymorphism. We have two types of polymorphism. First one is static polymorphism. Second one is dynamic polymorphism. Static polymorphism. Second one is dynamic polymorphism. Static polymorphism. Polymorphism takes place at compile time. Okay, right. So static polymorphism. Polymorphism takes place at the compile time. It's called static polymorphism. Polymorphism takes place at the compile time. It's static polymorphism. Polymorphism takes place at compile time. Is static polymorphism. In this, override this overloading is text. Polymorphism takes place at compile time. Is static polymorphism. This overloading is text. What is overloading? And how we are achieving the static polymorphism, you'll see now. Okay. Overloading is the concept of method name is same. Parameters are equal. Overloading is the concept of method name is same, parameters are different. Within same class. Overloading is the concept of method name remains same for all methods and parameters are different with the same class. Okay. Now we'll see the program for this. Right. New project, console application. Overload. So overloading is the concept of method names. Now I'm taking one class here. Class yes. Wide show. Okay. So integer. Wide show integer. Console dot write line from integer. Plus. Public. Now I'm writing one more method. Method remains same. Method name remains void. So double A. Method name remains same. Only different in the parent from double. String A. Right line. From string plus public void char. Control dot right line. Now I have to create object here. Yes, T is equal to dot to. So based on the parameter, I can achieve the static format. Even though we have different methods, so same methods, okay. So because of different parameters, okay. So with the help of different parameters, so I am passing the parameter argument. With that argument, I am achieving that method. Okay. So I have total here 4 methods. 4 methods are with same name, but different parameters. Because of different parameters, through different parameters, okay. So we are achieving the static polynomial, even though we have method name is same. So because of different parameter, we are achieving the static polynomial. Okay. So which method I want directly I can call with the parameter. Now if I same method I call, I don't want to change this. If I give the name, automatically the method is change here. The output is changed. Output is now from string. Okay. Right. So this is about to static polymorphism and overloading concept. Understand? Chandani, Sony, Jab, Kamal, Mosam, Praswal. Yes, it's clear. So what is polymorphism? Polymorphism means method name will remain same. Okay, the behavior of the method will be different. Okay, so poly means many, morphism means one method shows the different forms. Here also same thing, right? Okay, one method only showing the different forms, Clear? Understand? Yes. Understand? Okay. So this is about to static polymorphism. Okay. And so overriding concept. Now dynamic polymorphism. So number two, polymorphism. Okay. Dynamic polymorphism. Control. Dynamic polymorphism. Polymorphism takes place at the runtime. Is a dynamic polymorphism in this overriding in this overriding polymorphism takes place at runtime is dynamic polymorphism in this overriding text. What is overriding? Okay, overriding text. What is overriding? Overriding is the concept of method name is same, parameters are different. Overriding is the concept of method name is same, parameters are different. Method name is same, parameters also same. Parameters are also same within two different classes. Plus having parent child relationship. Two different classes having the parent child relationship. Method name is same, parameters also same. Within the two different classes having the parent child relationship. Okay, now check it the program. So right for this new project, console application, overriding concept. Overriding class followed by the test. Method name is public void show. And also one more thing, if I want to override a method, the method should be virtual method. Method should be virtual. Now, controller right line from test Now I am trying to override the method in the child class. Test1 extends, sorry. Now see, public override. Automatically the method will show. Show into. That means show into. Okay. Method name is same, parameter also same. Method name is same, parameter also same. Here and here, the both, okay. Parameters are same, method name also same. Now, I'm trying to write here console dot line from test one from test. Now I'm creating object for the child, right? Because parent already extended the child. Child. E1 dot show E1 dot show E1 dot show 34 control dot control dot build solution then start. Okay. From test1 from test1 both are printing the child class methods only because method name remains same, so it is searching for the show method and parameter in. So, okay, how many times you are called? Okay, every time it is showing the child class method only because of already in the child class, it find out the show method, find out the parameter int. That means because of overriding. So child class also having the same method, same parameter. Therefore, always calling the child class method only. Now, I want to call the parent class method also. Then what I have, that means overriding is takes place here. Now, how to avoid the overriding and how to achieve the dynamic parallelism? For the purpose, we have to use here base method, base constructor. Base constructor is a constructor. Observe here. Okay, it works just like a see. Observe here. Test dot show. It works just like a base is work just like a test dot show. This constructor work just like a current class object. So base constructor work just like a parent class object. That is base class object. Okay, now we see even though if you call once, it will execute twice. One is at compile time, one is at runtime. One is at runtime. This is called dynamic parallelism and overriding concept. Even though it is overridden, so with help of base constructor, we can call the parent class method also. We can call the parent class method also. Now run this program from test and from test one also. That means from test you achieved with base. Okay, that means it is run on the runtime. It is run at runtime. Therefore, we can call it the runtime parallelism also. This is and also dynamic parallelism. Runtime is dynamic. So for dynamic parallelism, you have to use the base constructor. So base constructor works just like a parent class object in the child class method. Parent class object in the child class method. Understand? Right? This is about to overriding concept and overloading concept. Clear? Yes, Chandani, Tony, Jab, Mosam, Prajwal. Everybody understand? Yes. Yes. Clear, right? So this is about to polymorphism. Polymorphism. Poly means many, morphism means forms. One method shows the different forms is called polymorphism. So method name remains same, but showing the different forms. Okay. Here in the first one, method names are same, different parameters. Therefore, parameter. Here parameter also same. Okay, parameter also same. Method name also same because of that overriding is takes place. To avoid the overriding, you have to the base constructor. With the base constructor, I can call the parent class method. That means one method only show the different okay. So formats here. That's called polymorphism. Poly means many, morphism means forms. Okay. So this is about polymorphism. So with this inheritance and polymorphism completed, Oops, concepts also completed. Classes we have to start. Abstract class, interface class, final class, seed class. We have to start. That will be discussing this. That will discuss in tomorrow class. Okay. Understand? Please practice. Okay, and ask me the okay whatever the doubts here. So any doubts from today's class? Yes. No, right? Clear, right? Okay. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay. So at 9:30 CST, 8 p.m. IST. Right. We'll continue tomorrow.